Today, I'm going to show you how to turn Telegram previews on or off in Telegram desktop in just a few simple steps. This is a quick but really useful setting if you want more privacy, fewer distractions, or you simply prefer not to see message previews pop up on your screen. Whether you want to hide previews so people can't glance at your messages or turn them back on so you can see notifications more easily, this guide will walk you through exactly what to do. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens the main menu where you can access Telegram settings and account options. From the menu, click Settings. This is where Telegram keeps most of its customization options, including privacy, notifications, and appearance settings. After that, find and click Notifications. This section controls how Telegram alerts you when you receive new messages, calls, and activity from chats. Now scroll or look through the notification settings until you find the message preview option. Under private chats, groups, and channels, you should see the option related to previews. If you want to turn previews off, simply uncheck the message preview box. Once it's unchecked, Telegram will stop showing message content in your notifications, which can be great for privacy. If you ever want to turn previews back on later, just come back to the same place and check the box again. That's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you can control whether Telegram shows message previews or keeps them hidden. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how private and how clean your notifications feel. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.